I am done playing small, done pretending that the way everyone else does it is the way it has to be done, done dimming my frequency to make other people comfortable. This is the bet, a 1-year experiment in commanding reality through pure energetic alignment. For the next year, I'm going to show you what happens when you stop asking the universe for permission and you start telling it what you're available for. When you treat your mind like the reality generating machine it actually is. When you become so magnetic, success has no choice but to find you. No promotion, no strategy, no begging for attention. It's just me, becoming a signal so strong the right people can't help but tune in. I'm not here to inspire you. I'm here to demonstrate what is possible when you stop negotiating with mediocrity and start operating from total conviction. Twice a week. Tuesdays, I document the experiment. Fridays, I drop 5-minute cognitive upgrades that will rewire your entire operating system. This isn't content. This is energy work disguised as a podcast. If you're ready to stop consuming and start becoming, you already know you belong here. The universe is about to reorganize itself around everything I'm creating.